In this video, I will show you how to update Steam games manually. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. For whatever reason you want to manually update your game, maybe there's been a problem with updating your games or something that's causing it not to update. What you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to your library, click onto your library to be taken to your games library, and then locate the game from your games library that you want to manually update. So for example, let's go ahead and select this game here. What you're going to want to do once you've found the game is right click onto the game to bring up this menu, and then come and click onto properties. Now once you've clicked onto properties, come over to the menu on the left hand side on this window that comes up and click onto installed files. All you need to do is click here where it says verify integrity of game files and just wait for this to get to 100%. Now if there's any updates available, then when it verifies the integrity of the files, if it does find any updates, then it's going to download and install those for that particular game. So you want to wait for this to finish and get to 100. And what you can also do is come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto updates. And in here you can see at the top we got this box here which says use global setting, let Steam decide when to update. If you actually click onto this and change it to immediately download updates, this is going to immediately download updates for that game, which will save you having to do it manually in the future. So that is how to update Steam games manually. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.